completely immersed as you are in Canva, right, in your own technology, you forget that some people don't know that you actually might need to change the size of something, right?
Yeah.
Right? You change the size because, you know, this took me a while to figure. So why isn't my beautiful PowerPoint picture working on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube, right? Or on Instagram? I'm getting error messages every time I want to upload the damn thing. What's going on, right?
Yeah. Yeah, that's actually something super interesting that, so I probably am a little bit behind my generation in terms of fully understanding how to utilize all social networks, which Canva has really helped me understand too as well. You know, like every single one of those mediums has their own type of template and their own type of template size. And so as a result of that, if you know, you weren't using something like Canva, then you would have to create something for each platform individually, and then be able to post it one at a time across each of those platforms. And so, you know, Instagram is a different size, Facebook has a different size image, LinkedIn has something that's different too as well. So with Canva, you have what we call it is magic resize, which I think is intuitive in this context that we're talking about, and allows you to be able to, you create one design and then you can automatically recreate it across every single one of those channels that you're looking to post. And so that way it just resizes your design and makes it perfect for Instagram. And another button makes it perfect for Facebook. And so you actually don't even need to know what the dimensions are. You just need to be able to, you just need to know what channels or what mediums you want to be able to spread your creativity on.